Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Roblox experience and want to know how to disable the Participate in Parties feature on Roblox's web version for PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Roblox has made some changes to their settings, so let's walk through the new steps together. First, open up your favorite web browser and head to the official Roblox website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Roblox homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on that gear icon to open up your account settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll see several options on the left-hand side. Find and click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section is where you can manage who can interact with you and how you experience Roblox's social features. Next, look for the Communication tab. Click on it to expand more options. Here, you'll see the Party setting. This is the feature that controls whether you can participate in parties with other Roblox users. To disable this feature, simply go under the Party section and select No One. By choosing this option, you're making sure that no other users can invite you to parties or include you in group chats through the Party system. This is a great way to keep your Roblox experience focused and free from unwanted invitations. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled the Participate in Parties feature on Roblox Web for PC. These changes will take effect immediately, so you don't have to worry about getting party invites anymore. If you ever want to change this setting back, just follow these steps again and choose a different option under the Party section. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other Roblox tips and tricks. Enjoy your game time with more privacy and control.